I just wanted to take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I'm Dawn Howie, your professor for this course. I want to tell you that I originally wasn't a sociology major, as some of you might not be yet. After taking just a couple sociology classes, I was hooked, and that is certainly my goal or my desire for you guys to be hooked as well. I really want you to have an applicable understanding of sociology when you finish my course. And here's just a little bit about me. So this is me and my husband. We have been married for over 25 years. I'm happily married to him, consider him my best friend. We have 4 kids, Aria, Drina, Josh, and Sam. Drina, Josh, and Sam still live at home with us. Then just wanted to share my car because I love it so much. And it's a stick shift with a sunroof. Those were my 2 criteria for a new car. I love having a stick shift. These are our pets, 6 dogs, 2 cats. Barney is my dog. They certainly make our life interesting. And these are some of my hobbies. Running, I still run, just can't do very many races anymore. Huge Seahawks fan and a fan of Disneyland. And I look forward to getting to know you guys throughout this term.